All right, the drink we're about to make is the eye opener. By the time you're done with this, you will have wide open eyes and be ready to take on the world. Put some ice in a glass and start off with a shot of light rum. There we go. And follow that up with a half an ounce of triple sec. There we go. And next we'll add 2 teaspoons of Pernod. And 1 teaspoon of white creme de cocoa. And next we'll add 1 egg yolk. And finally, 1 teaspoon of superfine sugar. All right, let's mix this all together. So if you wake up after a long night of drinking and you want to get your day going right with the hair of the dog, make yourself an eye opener. That'll do. Grab your glass and go ahead and pour it in. And that is a breakfast drink, the eye opener. Bottoms up.